This is why you shouldn't miss out on this 6.3 million naira land right here in Abuja. So today I'm in Hutu Exclusive, and before I tell you why you shouldn't miss out on this amazing deal, I'm going to share with you three reasons or three factors why land appreciates in Abuja. Land appreciates almost everywhere around the world, but why does Abuja land appreciation hit differently? So there are three factors why. And number one is that Abuja is the seat of power. Now, this is Nigeria's capital. This is where the funding policies, all the government policies, and everything is centered, where the power is. And we all know that wherever power is, that is where development follows. Now, this leads us to the second reason or the second factor, which is infrastructure development. Now, because Abuja is the center of Nigeria, the seat of power and Nigeria's capital, it attracts government infrastructure development. It attracts both foreign investors, and as a result of this, it continues to expand outward. Every day the government is either opening roads leading to different locations in Abuja, or constructing one bridge or another linking two districts or two locations together. Now, wherever you see development, the place begins to open up, and the next thing that follows is land prices begin to appreciate in that location or in that environment. Now, this leads us to the third point, which is population influx. Now, because Abuja is a seat of power, because of this fast developing city, a lot of people are moving here because of different reasons. Some come to find better living experiences, new jobs. Some people just want to relocate because they want new and different experiences altogether, and all of these leads to a high demand in housing. Now, a high demand in housing results to an increase in prices of land and houses right here in the city of Abuja. Now, there are other factors, but these are the three major factors why land prices increase. And like I mentioned earlier, infrastructure development is one of the key drivers of property value in the city of Abuja, and this is exactly what has happened in Hutu Exclusive. Now, Hutu Exclusive is at that growing stage where infrastructure construction is visibly going on right here. So when you come to Hutu Exclusive, you can literally see everything that is going on, from the foundations that are being laid to the internal access road, fencing, gate houses that are being constructed. You can literally see this development, and this has added to the value of property here, and that is why you shouldn't miss out on investing in Hutu Exclusive today. Right now, a 150 square meter plot size is currently selling for 16.3 million, and available here is 150, 250, 350, 450, 500, 750, and 1,000 square meters available for you to choose from. Now, if you're looking to buy plots where you want to build terraces, or you want to build fully detached duplexes, or maybe your goal is to build a block of apartments with the intention to increase your cash flow with rental income, we have all of that available. Now, remember, Hutu Exclusive is located off Airport Road, just beside Centenary City. It is a C of O property, meaning that your investment is not only backed by the government, but it is also safe and secure. Now, if you're looking to invest in Hutu Exclusive, then there's a number on the screen. Call that number or send us a DM right now, and we'll guide you through the entire process of investing as soon as possible. We're waiting for your call. See you soon.